Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has appealed for calm after the violence witnessed in the capital yesterday. Addressing the nation, Manmohan Singh called for peace and also assured action against the rapists. He reasoned that while the anger against the brutal Delhi gang rape is justified, violence will not take us anywhere.
After 2 days of violent protests on the streets of Delhi, the Prime Minister breaking his silence.
There is genuine and justified anger and anguish at the ghastly crime of gang rape committed last Sunday in Delhi.
With anger boiling over on the issue of women's safety, the Prime Minister saying, while he shares their concern, vandalism on the streets is not the answer.
I feel deeply sad at the turn of events leading to clashes between protesters and police forces. Anger at this crime is justified, but violence will serve no purpose.
But as cries for justice mount, Dr. Manmohan Singh promising to unleash the full force of the law against perpetrators of sexual crimes.
We will examine without delay not only the responses to this terrible crime, but also all aspects concerning the safety of women and children and punishment to those who commit these monstrous crimes.
Yet, the opposition has questioned the government's response.
हमें इस बात का दुख है, कोई संतोषजनक और समाधानकारक उत्तर सरकार की तरफ से नहीं आया। ये बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है कि सरकार इसका तुरंत संज्ञान ले।
Unfortunately, what he said is not of much significance except his good intentions and sympathy. What we want to hear, what the country wants to hear, what is the action going to be taken for those accountable?
The government will now have to follow assurances with concrete action, because ensuring safety of women cannot be delayed anymore. Bureau Report, Times Now.